Okay, here is a 2024 Fleetwood Xcursion AL2. This unit is all-wheel drive. What are those tires right there? Ready for the open road here. All right, there is the logo for the Xcursion. This is a new model for Fleetwood, the first Class B van here. Now you see there is a nice little screen here. You can close off that. And you see right here, this is an electric door here that closes right. And look at that, very nice. And there are a total of 4 floor plans in this range. And here's
so they're all
okay.
All of them. Yeah,
I was just told by the rest of the series, this is all-wheel drive. Back here, we have a seat right here. Let's go check out the inside here. And we'll tell me inside, and it's Marie, and here we are on the inside of the Fleetwood Xcursion.
Yes, this is awesome. It's a really nice camper van, and lovely seat. It's got a great engine. Everything is very compact. You have your phone, your cruise control over here.
And should we know this is a diesel?
It is. And you also have your mirrors and switches here. You also have your lights. And over here you have your backup camera, your radio, the controls obviously that goes with the 2 of those. And down here you got your normal hazard singers, lights, defrosters, etc. And of course you got 2 different size drink cups on either side. They got lots of little odd storage spaces up here. They actually have this where you can put some maps or something flat.
It's a visor.
Yeah, but I mean it's a visor, but you also can store stuff here and here, so it's kind of interesting. These actually open, but the engine keys are kind of sealed, so we're not going to open those at the moment. We do have a sunglass case over here, and along here you see a lot of different lights. Whether it's a map light, it also allows you to open some of the doors and windows, so it's kind of really interesting. Over on the top here, there's actually 3 little glove compartments, and the third one's all the way over there to store stuff.
It's definitely different.
A lot of little storage areas, a little nook and cranny over here. And if you'll move back, we'll look at the rest of it.
Well, what do you think about the seats? Do they feel comfortable?
They're good for what it is. It's being a nice clear view. I like it. Actually, this is a very cute. I mean, I know you're big and don't like Class B's too much, but for me, it's great. Over here, you have a touch panel screen, okay, and
your Vitron energy status.
right. And as we're standing here to my left, right by the cab, there is a great big storage space. I don't know if you can get in there. It's kind of dark, man.
Well, I can see it. Yeah.
Okay. You have your ceiling fan up here.
Well, more exhaust fan.
Exhaust fan. Now, this is a wet bathroom.
This is a locking mechanism up here. You can lock
All right,
it.
I was going to open both doors, so that's
it's
why
a
I didn't
wet
lock
shower.
them. It's a wet bathroom. There's your toilet. There's your sink. Shower's not connected yet, and then you have a nice fluorescent lights and some LED lights.
So how's the business end here, huh?
Well, when we crawl in here, we can. There's plenty of room to sit here. My feet can go out a little bit. Rest back. Plenty of room for me.
So, obviously, you wouldn't want to get locked in here because I don't think there's any way down it here if someone else decides to lock you in here.
What are you thinking? Where is your mind? Okay, ready for us from the shower. We do have our sink with a cover right here. We have an induction top stove. We have the microwave right here.
I do not think that's an induction style microwave.
No, I said it was an induction stove top and a microwave.
Well, I meant convention, not never mind.
Okay, here is a sponge drawer. Down here you have a refrigerator. I thought it opened this way. Somebody must have locked it on me. I had it open. I had it open a minute ago. There we go. There's a little refrigerator. And we have 3 storage drawers over here, which is really nice. Like I said, this has got a lot of, some of the storage areas are small, but there's a lot of them. Okay, over here we have
air conditioning controls.
Yes.
And your bath light.
We have a wardrobe right next to that.
Now, it should be known with the bathroom, it's actually translucent panels. You know, when we turn the light on, you can see the light going on and off.
So you have this wardrobe here, and across the way there's a cubby for stuff.
All right.
Okay, then you actually have a seat here, along with a seat here. Now all this makes out into a bed area. I was going to show that. You sit here, you watch TV and have dinner on the tray here, which is really nice. And come on back here for a minute, Ben. Over here we have the TV.
One reason I don't know B-bands too much is I have
yes, but see, we can sit here and have dinner. There's your TV. This is kind of in the way, but maybe you can move it somehow.
And touchscreen radios right
exactly.
there. As well as the
outlet.
Outlet there.
You have some cup holder here.
It's interesting enough. It looks like a way you can actually use this monitor as a secondary monitor because it has an HDMI port right over there.
Okay.
To plug in your laptop, so you have a secondary stream.
We have some drink holders on the side here and here, down here.
Wow.
Okay,
down
so
there.
now the whole area we're sitting into does make into a bed, but we're not going to do that now.
You can make one actually good size
bed.
Almost a queen size, I think.
Right, and now above us we also have some more storage.
Part of the air conditioning noise.
Yeah, it's actually here. It feels kind of good.
Yeah.
And look at this, a lot of storage. I can't even reach to the back of it.
Way back there.
To the end, exactly.
That's about at least 24 inches deep.
And then there's another little cubby here, not too big, but again, they've made use of every space. Pretty awesome. I think we got another one we're going to show them?
Yes, we have 2 more to go through.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Okay, we're going to head out to the 2 other Xcursion models here.
Yeah.
All right.
Like a back.
And here it shows the inside of the Mercedes chassis engine here. Quick view of the outside, it's similar. This one has standard street tires, but it is all-wheel drive. There is an open window there. And you can see view of the floor plan of this particular case, so the SL2E. Once again, there's a screen right here. And let's see how this is different from the last other model.
Well, it
Similar
is
controls.
similar. You have a drink holder here. You've got the same type of storage areas up top. Again, this has the same type of storages up here. Your visors. You've got your sunroof things here. You have your phone controls. You have your speed control cruiser there, so you can set that up.
It's amazing when you're trying to walk through a coach, sometimes words escape you.
I know, we say the same words and sometimes it gets a little bit much.
Well, it's interesting how the rest of this coach differs from the others in the line.
Right, it does look different from the back, but the front part, I keep saying this is a sunroof. It's not a sunroof, it's like a panel.
Yeah.
Okay, because right above it is actually a storage area right here, so you can see that there is no sunroof.
So was the last one.
Okay, there's speakers on either side.
Now, what do we have over here? This is like a giant closet. Oh.
This is actually like a pantry area for you, so you got plenty of room there.
And the microwave is actually a lot higher than the other one.
Yes, the microwave is up here, right across from the door.
And the refrigerator is bigger than this one too.
Yes, you can actually.
Much bigger.
Actually, you can bring the groceries right in, lay them right here on the counter.
Now, is that a freezer down there?
This is a freezer. Yes, it is.
It opens over there.
Yes.
The other one didn't have a freezer. We did it very small. So this is actually a very sizable unit.
Right.
For this.
So as I said, you come in, put your groceries here, turn around and put them away in the refrigerator.
And you can close off the screen right here.
We have the sink.
It's a nice size.
Nice deep sink.
You have to remember, anything that's this size in a B-van is just huge.
Yeah. And look at sponge area.
Sponge drawer.
And you got 3 drawers here. They're all pretty much the same. So I'm not going to open the third one here. Now you also have 2 drawers here. You have this one, and this is a different size. It's bigger.
There's your garbage
can.
Your $500 trash can.
Yeah, built in.
And you've got a 2-burner induction cooktop.
We do.
And what is that? It looks like what's beneath there. That's obviously your heater vents.
Right.
And some additional storage here.
And above here, we also have storage. Look at this.
Wow, look at that.
I said it's amazing the amount of storage in these things. And this actually passes through to the next cabinet over here. So you literally have from where Ben is all the way down.
Almost 8 feet.
About 8 feet. There you go. Now again, you have the same shower. It is a wet shower. I'm not going to get in there this time. You sold me on the last one.
Yeah.
Sorry for they're playing some music in the background there for a minute. We do have the bathroom pretty much the same, except for the light fixtures are a little different.
The wet bathroom, yeah.
Okay.
So moving on back.
We do have another wardrobe with the mirror, everything there. Let me check my hair while we're at it. Okay.
Now, interesting, this is pretty much the same as the other one. It has a provision for the desk.
Right, it's not
And
in here at the moment.
Also
but-
has a provision to make the monitor as a separate monitor.
Right.
So the rest of them is pretty much the same. So let's also note there is a little touch panel back here and an additional charger right there. So let's
Right.
move on to
That
the next
was,
one.
That was also in the first van, just we did not point it out. So
We
we'll
somehow
say
missed
that.
it.
No, I saw it, we just didn't point it out. Okay, so we're going to go into the third one.
All right. And this model here is the Xcursion SL4E. See the beautiful paint job on this one? This is white. The last one was silver. This is a lot similar on the outside, but it's the inside that matters. You see the controls here are very similar up front.
They
pretty
are.
much the same storage area and whatnot.
And they show this one. They're showing the chair turned around, facing the living area.
Yes, the chairs do face,
And
can
pretty
turn
much
around.
the panels, the glove compartment is not the same. It is the same. Excuse me. There's 3 of them up here. You got your visors, and you've got a little storage up in this area.
And we have the storage bin above, just like the last two.
Yep, nice big long one. Speakers
Yeah.
are in the same spot.
This one actually has 2 passenger seats.
Right, so this has 4 nice seats.
4
You
seats,
could-
yeah,
Hey,
altogether.
you know, I could actually see this, turn them all around. You could play cards or whatever.
Yeah, well, I don't
That's
think
kind
there's
of
a
nice.
table though here. But
Well, I'm
nice if
sure
there
you
was
could do a
table
folding
here.
table or something, yeah.
Well, up here we have a nice little storage area here above that passenger seat.
And down here we got some storage for a magazine. We got an outlet,
Cup
drink
holder.
holder. So,
And let's continue to the back here.
okay, similar to the last one. We have our sink here.
We have a touch control panel here. Stainless steel sink, as you said. And we have a nice little cubby right here.
Along with the microwave up top.
And the microwave's up top.
We have a two burner induction stove. And over here we have 4 cabinets,
4 cabinets.
4 drawers.
4 drawers.
This one's a little stiff. I think this is actually the sponge door.
Well, actually, there we go. There it goes. We
Yeah,
don't want to break it.
sometimes these new ones are just a little stiff. There we go. So we have 4
So it's actually
doors.
3 drawers and a sponge drawer.
Yes, that is correct. You have a refrigerator right here. And of course, you have a couple more drawers over here. Oh, I found the remotes.
1 remote.
3. Okay, we
And
have our
here we
wet
have your
bath.
wet bay. This is almost identical to the other 2.
The lights are a little bit different up top, but that's about it.
And you see that in the corner actually is your shower right there, your microphone shower head.
Heading on back.
Air conditioning controls. Now for me actually as a 6-footer, I cannot really stand in here. I'm slightly bent over.
So we have a nice cabinet space here, storage space here. We have our wardrobe closet over here.
Right, and the rest of the back is exactly the same as the other 2.
It is the same big wide storage space back here, and a little storage over here, the TV and the radio.
And the touchscreen over here, which we missed in the first one.
Yeah, we didn't mention this, but in the back of them, the doors do open, and there is a screen enclosure, you know, to keep the bugs out and whatnot.
All right, well, that's a review of the new vans from Fleetwood for 2024. We thank you for watching this presentation from the from the 2024 FRVTA Florida Supershow. And this is Wednesday, the opening day, so we just hope you enjoyed these videos and like and subscribe. Hope to hear from you and get some feedback. And in the meantime, open the doors to adventure.
And start all your journeys with
The RVTs. Have a great day, folks.